I made a mistake with the installation, so hopefully this step-by-step battery replacement video can help you save some time. I'll also share some info on the battery size, as well as what to expect after installation. Now for some reason the car locked itself just as I was about to start, so wind the window down, remove the key from the car, and then let it sit for a few minutes with all doors closed so all the systems can power down. To get access to the battery, unclip this cover on the engine side first, then the other side should come off easier. Now before working on anything else, disconnect the negative terminal completely. I made a separate video that explains all of that, so I'll post a link at the end of this video. The clamp nut is hidden away at the back here, but looks similar to the one on the positive terminal. The over-tightening of this nut was already a clue of the mistake I would make a bit later. The positive clamp can now also be loosened with this nut at the back. We'll get back to that cable in a minute, but in the meantime loosen the two bolts on the bracket, as you'll see shortly. These are attached to the bracket, so no need to worry about dropping them. I thought it would be possible to lift the battery out, but the positive cable is a bit in the way, so remove this nut as well. The nut is also attached to the cable, so thanks Renault for keeping these things in mind. We're replacing the battery with the same size, so I'll share some info a bit later. For now, start with clean connections using some fine sandpaper or this handy little brush that cleans both the battery posts and the terminals. I'll leave a link in the description. Now the bracket can go back, but little did I know this would have to come out again a bit later. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. The positive cable goes back first, and you'll need to make sure this connection is tight. But if the terminals are positioned low on the tapered post, chances of a loose connection is much smaller, so extend the clamp if you need to. If it's tight enough, the terminal shouldn't be able to move around by hand. Now this is the point where I realized something was wrong. The negative terminal wasn't fully over the post, which explains why the nut was so tight in the beginning. So the bracket had to come off and swapped 180 degrees. I hope this can help somebody. As mentioned earlier, we replaced the battery with the same size 70 amp hour enhanced flooded battery, and this would be the biggest size that would fit here. But to make it easier, I'll include some links in the description for online versions of this size. I didn't get any warning lights on startup. And a radio code isn't necessary. Even the one-touch windows were still working. There's a sequence for disconnecting and connecting the terminals, and it's all explained in this next video.